Hey guys, Morgan here, and I got a box of some really cool stuff that I really just wanted to share with you guys. I just can't wait to share this right here. So this is from a company called Sigma, S-I-G-M-A. It is a cosmetic company. And why am I showing you this? Because they have a Disney line. Right now Sigma's cosmetic line is actually half off of all their Disney stuff. So you know that I got some stuff, and we are going to dive in. There's so much stuff I'm not going to like put anything on just because there's so much. But of course I will at least, you know, test some stuff out. So as you can see here, we have the Little Mermaid lip set, 3 colors, Dingle Hopper, Coral and Sunset. Now, there are some items I did not get. Little Mermaid does have a blush line, so I did not get that. We're just going to try the Dingle Hopper, right? Yeah, this is the Dingle Hopper. So, I mean, that's a good, like, everyday look. Spread it out a little bit so you can see. I'm gonna make such a mess with this, but that's okay. So that is not all of the Little Mermaid. I didn't get the blush because I am not a blush person. My cheeks are just kind of naturally red sometimes. So we have a Little Mermaid eyeshadow palette, and these colors look so awesome. So here it is. It does have full cover, and of course this Little Mermaid on it, but we're going to, like, we've got just nautical, like, this is the kind of palette colors you would expect from the Little Mermaid. So we're just going to, this one right here is Treasure Trove. It's this one right here that I just swiped. Like I said, I don't want to test all of them out because actually what I plan on doing is a giveaway for subscribers. So I don't want to test everything out because I don't want to give you guys stuff that has been like severely used. So let's see, is that, oh, that is not all the Little Mermaid. So next on the Little Mermaid is a brush set with also this bag. So let's take a look. Like, how more mermaid can you get than this bag? I mean, seriously. And it has like the Sigma symbol, but it also has a little Ariel on the thing. Oh. Okay, before I show you the brushes, look at the lining. Like, that's a perfect makeup bag, or like just like a clutch, like going out. So this does come with 3 brushes, and I'm going to try to show you guys some of the detail. So as you can see, like the purple and the blue, you got your powder brush, You've got your powder brush, and I don't know how well you guys can see, but there's a little Arial etched on the top. And then this one has a little Sebastian. It's kind of hard to tell out of that in the bag. And a flounder. So it's really hard to tell, but these are just so cute, and the bristles feel so soft. Like, so we've got your blending, and I mean, I use this one probably for a little bit more detail, but what is this listed as? It just says pencil, but I usually use this one for like a little bit more detail when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So that set comes with that bag. And that's all the Little Mermaid. So we've got, for the Little Mermaid collection, this brush set and bag, the eyeshadow palette, and the lip set. Okay? And yes, I said Little Mermaid because that's not all. We have a Beauty and the Beast, which Beauty and the Beast is probably one of my favorite movies. I have to admit that this one I am probably the most excited about because it's one of my favorite movies, but also, yes, this eyeshadow, sorry, I just bumped my elbow, is a smaller palette, but it's a little bit more neutral. Again, we have the little cover, and of course, since it's small, there's no mirror. But as you can see, like, we've got Beast, Belle, like a book, Cogsworth. Like, this I could see more as my everyday palette because of the neutral colors. So we'll try this Enchantment right here. You can't really tell, but it does put like a gold sheen, so ignore. My hand is going to be covered in makeup once we're done, but that's okay. This is so cool, like, and like, it feels very buildable, very nice. I did also get the Beauty and the Beast lip set, which we have Bonjour, Spellbound, and Adventure. Again, we have that. We'll try, let's see, what is this one? This one is Adventure. Now these are a little smaller than the Little Mermaid ones. That is Adventure right beside the Beauty and the Beast eyeshadow, the Enchantment, that gold. And again, just like a good neutral shade, and I am loving it. Like, it feels so creamy, because that's one thing I don't like, is that like sticky, gooey feeling. So that is not all for Beauty and the Beast. Another brush set. Yes, I bought all the brush sets, and as you can see, it comes with a bag. So this bag is like perfect evening bag clutch. It's like sparkly blues and greens in it, again with the Sigma logo, but then we've got like a cameo bell. Now this set came with more brushes. and they all just have the blue, but just like the Little Mermaid, we do have a character etched. So we have Belle on the powder. We have the eye shading, which, who do we have on here? Cogsworth is on this one. See, this one I call more, so the flat, I call that one more of a pencil sometimes. That one has chip on it. And then we have our another blender. And who do we have on that? Lumiere. And then I really liked this. So for your foundation, and we've actually got Beast on here. So this was a 5 brush set. And again, it comes with this bag. Again, it's like a perfect evening bag if you don't want to just use it for your cosmetics. Oh, the liner is all Beauty and the Beast. So cute. And you guys are probably getting some ASMR from all these little bags. So, last but certainly not least, Alice in Wonderland. I love how it is like a trippy box. So, eyeshadow palette. Again, we've got Alice. This is a larger palette, but this palette, not only does it have the trippy cover, came with a brush, which I love. But you see, we've got Mad Hatter, Cheshire Cat, all imprinted in these colors. Of course, Alice is like a blue. This right here is Caterpillar. Like, I don't know how it, like, it is just a perfect teal. Like, these are perfect bold colors, and then you still have some neutrals. And of course, this brush is super cute, and it actually has a crown on one side and a heart on the other. I am obsessed. We also got a lip duo, lip gloss and lip cream, so I feel like it's going to be buildable. Seeing Violets and Kiss the Tulips. So, let's see if I can get this open. So this one, ooh, that is like dark and sparkly and beautiful. What is this? This one, I'm assuming, I think this is Kiss the Violets, because this one's definitely more purple. Okay, so that's gonna be the cream. So this right here is what I put on, and I feel like that's totally gonna be buildable. Like, you can put that on whatever color you have as a base, as you can see. And that's not all. Another brush set. Yes, I bought way too much stuff, but like I said, Sigma's doing half off their Disney line right now, so this is like a perfect time to try everything. Plus, I was looking to update my brushes anyway, so perfect timing. So first of all, super sparkly bag, which I wouldn't expect anything less from an Alice. And we do have Alice falling on the zipper pull, and then just Wonderland with all the things, the rabbit, the Cheshire Cat, watch it, like, super cute. So this one's actually kind of easier to show all of them at once. So this is the set, and you can kind of see that we do the characters a little better because they're not etched. They're just printed on, but we've got the purple and the blue. So we've got Alice, Cheshire, and then we've got little potion bottles and a lock ray on this one. But super cute, obsessed. I cannot wait to start playing with these and doing makeup, and I think that is it. When I did buy stuff, they did have free gifts, so I do actually have some extra brushes that are just Sigma branded, and they feel awesome as well. But yeah, they have these 3 movies, collaborations, and like I said, I'm going to do a giveaway. I am going to do an Alice in Wonderland giveaway for you guys. I did get an extra bag as well as an extra lip set, so I am going to give that away here on YouTube. What you need to do to qualify is like and subscribe, comment down below what is your favorite item from this Disney Sigma collection, and once the subscribers on the channel, once it reaches, right now as I'm recording this we have 208, once it reaches 250, I will give away the Alice bag and lip set, mail it to you, maybe throw in some couple other fun things as well. So again, like, subscribe, and comment down below what is your favorite item from the Sigma Disney collections. So alright guys, I will see you next time with more, either more park stuff, more merch stuff, basically everything to fill that I can find to fill your Disney and some Universal fandoms. See you next time.